Are you looking for a foundation that gives you a radiant, natural-looking glow without feeling heavy on your skin? Then you're going to love what I'm about to share. In this video, we're diving into the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Liquid Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory, a holy grail for those with normal to dry skin. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a beauty enthusiast, this product just might become your new favorite. Let's start with the packaging. Sleek, simple, and travel-friendly. While the packaging may vary depending on where you buy it, the product inside remains the same high-quality formula. Now, Classic Ivory is a light shade with warm undertones, perfect for fair skin tones looking for a natural, dewy finish. If you have dull or dry skin that needs a hydration boost, this foundation is designed specifically for you. One of the best things about the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation is its lightweight formula. It glides effortlessly onto the skin, blending seamlessly with just your fingers, a brush, or a beauty sponge. It offers medium coverage that's buildable, perfect for evening out your skin tone, covering redness, and creating a smooth base without looking cakey or overdone. Now let's talk performance. This foundation is enriched with vitamin E, which helps hydrate and nourish the skin. It gives you a luminous, fresh-faced look that lasts throughout the day. Whether you're going to work, running errands, or heading out for a casual evening, this foundation keeps your complexion glowing and radiant. And if you're someone who struggles with dry patches, you'll be pleasantly surprised. This formula won't cling or crack, it just smooths right over. Another bonus, it contains SPF 18, offering some protection from the sun, a great little add-on for daily wear. Plus, it's dermatologist tested and non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores. That's especially important if you're prone to breakouts or have sensitive skin. So, who is this foundation for? If you have dry to normal skin and love that fresh, hydrated, dewy finish, this one's definitely for you. It's also a great choice if you prefer a natural makeup look that enhances your skin rather than masking it. And the price, super affordable. You don't have to break the bank to get a radiant, smooth complexion. To wrap it up, the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Liquid Foundation in Classic Ivory is a must-have if you're aiming for a lightweight, glowy foundation that feels like skincare. It's easy to apply, looks beautiful on the skin,